So yesterday we discussed about the SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is in the selling zone. And today morning, if the candle is closed above the supply zone, we can go confidently on the buy side. But it is not happened. It is not happened. So market candle is in the supply zone only. And that is the reason our Indian market also fallen. So we always see for NSE we always look for the Nifty, but whenever we are looking into the Nifty, we need to look SGX Nifty as a first priority, then Nifty, then Bank Nifty. So this is the way of analyzing our charts. So right now market is in the supply zone, okay, which is created old. So right now what happened? This supply zone is violated yesterday. Why? This bullish candle is closed above the supply zone. That means the supply zone turned into the demand zone. The supply zone turned into the demand zone. So now this will be your stop loss 17,400. 17,480 is your stop loss, and you can continue buying the stocks. You can continue buying the stocks. If candle is closed below, then we need to think. Nifty is still in the bullish zone only. So don't worry about by seeing this bearish candle. This is the good time for accumulating the stocks. For options trader, it's like we don't have clear direction which way market will go. But in a longer time frame, that is in a daily time frame, market is in the bullish mode. So now how market will turn? See, right now it's one moment is created. Now what it will do? It will come down to take new high. It will come down to take or to create a new high. So wait for the pullback, or you can start accumulating the stocks. I'm saying only stocks, not the options. This is a Nifty analysis. Nifty is in the buying zone. So be on the buyer only. Every dip is a buy opportunity. Every dip is a buy opportunity. Remember this point. Every dip is a buy opportunity. So Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty actually it is closed yesterday above the resistance line, and today it came for the retest. We don't know whether it will come. If it is closed below, we need to worry. Till then, Bank Nifty turned into the bullish mode. That is the reason I am going to suggest new stocks from the banking sector. Okay, Bank Nifty is in the buy zone. Nifty is in the buy zone. Be on the buyer. So the new stock pick is Canara Bank. Canara Bank. Canara Bank is turned into the bullish mode. You can clearly see. Your eyes are, I think your eyes are already guessed. This is a, what is this pattern? This is a cup and handle pattern. Okay, cup and handle pattern. It is closed above this breakout line, and one green candle also formed. So that is in the weekly time frame. So you watch it the stock for the buying opportunity. So this week tomorrow I am going to buy Canara Bank. So and there is a demand zone also created. There is a demand zone also created, and if you clearly see, there is a one kind of inverted head and shoulder formation. So it is given clearly breakout here itself, and we found the stock today. Okay, so we will buy when price comes to this zone. That means 260 rupees is the Canara Bank buying level. Canara Bank buying level. So every day we are going to conduct the daily sessions now. So I will update the stop loss. As of now, there is no proper stop loss is identified. Once a swing low is created or something, whenever I identified, I will share with you. Don't worry. So stop loss will be updated tomorrow or next week daily session. Two reasons for buying the Canara Bank. One reason is in weekly time frame, cup and handle. In daily time frame, inverted head and shoulder. Both are given clearly breakout. Okay, so hope you understand the reason for buying the Canara Bank. Now, someone asked day before yesterday about the State Bank. State Bank. State Bank of India also. See, this is a one kind of resistance zone. Price is sustained above it. Here, candle is closed, and next candle itself closed inside here. Below the support, below the resistance line. Then yesterday and today, candle is sustained above it, above the resistance line, and Bank Nifty gave the breakout. Most of the banking sector stocks are going to rally. HDFC Bank announced very good results. ICICI Bank announced very good results. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and those stocks having a good weight on the Nifty movement, Bank Nifty movement. So we can also expect movement from these stocks also, State Bank of India and Canara Bank. So this is our buying level. Stop loss I will update tomorrow. Otherwise, if you want to keep your stop loss, you can keep stop loss here. 500, 520 between zone. 500 or 520 between zone. So next stock, Chambal Fertilizers. This is a small cap company, quality small cap company. Right now, why I am suggesting this stock? First of all, you need to know now. So this is the demand zone, rally base rally. This is the demand zone. So price came to this zone. Price came to this zone. You can look for a buy opportunity by keeping the stop loss below. If candle is closed below this zone, then you can exit from the Chambal Fertilizer. See, the stop loss is 398 rupees, and where we are entering at the 407 rupees. Next, Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine. So I'm just observing this stock, and this is also going to be a good bet. So what I am expecting, this is a kind of left shoulder, this is a kind of head, and this is a kind of right shoulder. So Navin Fluoride having inverted head and shoulder. So what we will do, when price comes to this zone, when price comes to this zone, you can buy it. Where is your buy entry? See the buy entry. 4,039 rupees is the buy entry. 3,500 is the stop loss. So you know, in front of you there is a entry and there is a stop loss in front of you. So as per that, you prepare yourself. It's Century Ply. Flagpole. Today it gave very good rally. I'm already having position in this stock. This is a kind of flagpole. Price is consolidating. Once it gave the breakout, it gave the breakout, so don't enter whenever it gave the breakout. Just observe what I'm going to say here. This is the initial swing high na. So candle should close above the swing high. candle should close above the swing high, then we can take the opportunity. Reliance. Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries, na stock yesterday I explained. This is in the, so we can expect a price movement like this. So try to add this stock into your portfolio. Century Ply you can buy, no worries. HDFC, AMC. This is a bull sash formation. Exactly price touched that demand zone. This is a, we can say like professional gap. Price touched that loan and now it is moving towards the upside. So right now this is going to be a bullish stock. We can do accumulation in this stock. No need to worry about this stock. If you are having position, if you are already having the position and you have the money, then you can buy it more. Good stock. KBR Mill, very good company, sir, and you can add. Now price is reacting from the demand zone. Price is reacting from the demand zone into your portfolio. Already we rally based rally. So price is touched the demand zone and price is moving towards the upside. Right now price is at the a small supply zone. Rally base drop. Now price is reacting because of the supply zone. No need to worry. That is a temporary. That's a small supply zone. No need to worry. So every dip is a buy opportunity in this stock. Every dip is a buy opportunity in KBR Mills. Nitin Spinners also a very good stock. Nitin Spinners also a very good stock. If you want to observe and read the fundamentals and try to buy this stock. One resistance, second resistance, third resistance, it gives some kind of false breakout. Again it gave false breakout and again it turned into upside. So by taking this line into consideration, we can buy this stock with the stop loss of this point as a pivot. 270 rupees. 270 rupees is the support line for the Nitin Spinners. Next, Balaji Amines. I think we discussed about this stock. Today it rallied up to 7%. See, gap up is happened. All my stocks mostly moving very fastly. See, Sunday we discussed the Sunday. From here itself, 3,200 near at the time of discussion in the previous class. Now it is at 3,600 rupees. Okay. No need to worry. It can move more also. You can still buy. Lux Industries. Lux Industries, after started explaining about this stock till now moved 9%. Till now moved 9%. See the moment. From here to here, very good rally happened. So I'm personally having Lux Industries in my portfolio. Valiant Organics. Today stock rallied 3%. Stock in the buying zone. Stock is in the buying zone. This is double bottom. See, double bottom. Now price went upside. Now price is heading towards we can expect 1750 rupees from this stock. We can expect 1750 rupees. Why? Yesterday we already discussed it. See, when a trend line gave breakout, this is a kind of falling wedge pattern. This is a kind of falling wedge pattern. So here one bullish candle is formed. So what retailers will do? Retailers will enter and they will keep the stop loss here. They will keep the stop loss here. Again, what happened? Who are the buyers? So some kind of big players taken into the downside, taken the stock into the downside, and they taken all the retailers weak hands stop losses. Okay, not retailers or something. It's a weak hands removal. So this is a concept. Try to get knowledge from the Google. Weak hands removal. This kind of shakeout also. So here shakeout is happened. So again, what happened? Now here stock gave the breakout actually. One more breakout. Stock happened. Stock gave. So retailers or some persons, whatever, they bought the stock on the breakout. They bought this stock on the breakout. Here or here. They may be bought this stock. Now again price where they will keep the stop loss, either below this zone or near to this zone. Exactly. So now their stop loss is also taken out. So this is the area most of the weak hands are removed. So now who are having the good patience in this stock, they can expect a good return from this stock. Personally, I am having a position in this Valiant Organics. So I am observing this stock. So if you are also interested, read the fundamentals about this company and try to jump into this stock. These are all my stock suggestions or something from some knowledge I hope I shared with you guys. So if you are getting some knowledge, try to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pradeep Trading Knowledge. Okay. Find in Google, YouTube, Pradeep Trading Knowledge. So just to do subscribe so that whenever the new video I posted, you will get notification on your mobile. A notification will come. And whatever the daily analysis we recorded, I will upload into the YouTube and you can keep as a reference.